If I had a lot of money, the first thing I would buy is a Dodge Power Wagon. Oh my goodness. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this build. I don't think I've ever seen these types of tires for either. Wow. Michelin X. And it's like completely restored. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Has a winch on the front. This is beautiful. Here's a better angle at it. Sorry.
Oh, you got the first guy.
Dude, this thing is awesome.
You did a good job putting it together.
Yes. I've never seen one this nice before.
Not this one, good idea.
Yeah, no, this is wow. I've never seen one this perfect before.